Okay, so in the previous video we imported our database, and now the time is to connect with our database, connect our application with the database. So let's go to this SSH here, and you need to edit your env file. So how to edit this? So command is nano, and then type your file name. It's a .env. Hit enter. It's asking you to press enter. Yes, enter, and yes, it's opened this file. Okay, and here I need to also enter the app URL, right? Because I'm using this URL in my mail and other things, so that's why I need to enter my application URL. So this one is the URL. Just paste this. Okay, and then database credential. So database name. What's the database name? This one is our database name. What's the username? Most of the case it's same like I have, right? So you need to copy. If you have different ones, you need to copy it from here. Then password. So simply go here in the password one and then paste your password. Okay, I will change this password later on, and then everything is now set up. And here I'm also using the reCAPTCHA. So here I'm going to copy my reCAPTCHA key and paste this out here. Okay, and now it's edit, and I need to save this file, right? How to save this? So you need to press control and press O. Okay, and then you need to type enter file name return.env. Yes, enter, and then you need to close this file. Press control plus X, and yes, it's now closed, and our database is connected, right? Okay, now just go here and give it a refresh that our application is working or not. So I refresh, and yes, our application is working. And if I click on this login, and yes, login appeared. And here I need to type the admin at QK creators, and here I need to type the password. Click on this I'm not a robot. Click on this sign in, and yes, I'm successfully able to sign in into my application, right? I have connected my application with the database. I have two users, so I'm logged in with the first user. So here I can perform different operations. I can change my this admin credential. I can add locations, error types, and so on things, right? So this is the way how you can deploy your application on the server. So in this way I created this database, then I copied these credentials, then I set up these credential into my env file, right? And now it's working fine. And let me set up something else if it's remaining. You know how to connect the SSH, you know how to connect the database. Then here you can monitor your application logs like your PHP, traffic, MySQL, and so on things. So it will log all of the things here, right? And then you can also manage the domain. Here you can set up your cron job, right? I think this should be a separate video that how you want to set up this. So for example, if you want to set up this hourly, weekly, or any of the day, so you can specify it in the next parameter. So I will try to shoot this video on it, right? And hope you like this full series. And if you like this and want to support me on my mission to shoot the premium course free of cost, so subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friend. Thank you. Bye bye.